Hey guys, welcome back to Makeupillusionz Beauty Room. I'm Charmaine, aka Broken Beauty. I thank you guys for joining me. It's been a minute. I started out the year back in January saying that I was going to be more consistent, come back to the tube and do more. Unfortunately, a lot of tragedy has hit. A lot of things have happened recently within just the last, I want to say 3 months. So, after I did that first video, it just seemed like problem after problem after problem. Everything started to level out. I was ready to come back. And then, boom, I get hit with tragedy again. So, it has been a year. However, my promise is in 2020, I will be back. I already got things set. I got stuff set to go forward in 2020. I will be going over what I've been going through because that's what I've been called to do, hence the name Broken Beauty. Now I still do hair and makeup. However, I've kind of pulled back on that because God has led me in a different direction where he wants me to speak and encourage and motivate based off of my life experiences. So that's pretty much what I have been working on and doing, really, and contemplating and going over in my head is, am I ready? Am I good enough? And God has been telling me since 2010, you're ready. I need you to do this. So after this not even after this most recent tragedy, before this most recent tragedy happened, I had everything set. I was supposed to just roll out and get things going. And on the 28th of September, tragedy hit. But I will be talking to you guys about that also. Right now, it's still a little fresh, so I'm not quite ready to talk about it. However, for those who follow my channel, there is, you would know that I just dropped my clothing line, my t-shirt and hoodie line. So I do reflect on what happened on the 28th in that video. The last video, I want to say it's the last video I posted, which would have been possibly either beginning of October, mid-November. It's the last video. That's what I know. It's the last video that was posted here on YouTube. But it does give a brief commentary of what I went through, what I was experiencing, going through my, while preparing to launch my clothing line. But I will be going in more in-depth detail in 2020 on that. I will be bringing more content on motivation. I am still going to be doing beauty tutorials every so often, but because God is leading me in this direction of speaking, I am going to be doing a lot more speaking and motivating. And you never know, you may get a combination of both, me doing hair or makeup and motivating at the same time. So I just ask that you guys join me in the new year, 2020. I'm really trying to debate if I'm going to do a goodbye to 2019 video or not. And really, I only have between today and tomorrow to do it. That's either here or there. I could always do it in 2020. We'll see. Right now, I am just trying to get my bearings back, get back up on the tube, and just start trying to rebuild my brand, and take it from there. So yes, I definitely would appreciate if you guys join me. And again, this new movement in where I'm going, it's God led. So God has ordered my steps and I'm just following them. I do ask for those who have a issue with me speaking about God or bringing up God, I do want to let you know, in my house, on my channel, I praise the Lord. So if that is an issue for you, I invite you to find another great, beautiful YouTuber out here on this great big world of YouTube in the streaming field and follow them, because I will be talking about God. There's no doubt about it. I mean, He has brought me through so much. Even as I speak to you now, He is holding me together over the craziness that has been happening in my life. So I definitely look forward to reaching out and speaking to you guys, responding to comments in 2020. I will see you guys then. Again, my name is Charmaine, Broken Beauty. Thank you. God bless, and I'll see you soon.